Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of minus 0.05 and a momentum shift of minus 1.45 in finance. This isn't just noise. Historically, these levels indicate that investor confidence is wavering, which is unusual for this time of year. You'll want to dig into how this sentiment is aligned with your trading strategies. Our API returns nuanced data, highlighting 16 semantic clusters that can give you deeper insight into market psychology. For example, you could use this sentiment analysis to adjust your portfolio allocation proactively, ensuring you're not caught off guard by shifts in investor sentiment. If you want to leverage this data in your applications, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's turn this insight into action.